How to fix and solve login problem on Zoom application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix login problem on Zoom application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first and foremost, make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. You could also try to switch between the network or toggle the airplane mode on to solve your problem. If that's not your case, then you have to close the Zoom application completely, restart your device and open the Zoom application again and try to log in, and that may help you solve your problem. If not, make sure that the application is up to date. If the application is missing out any updates, you may not be able to log in since the application may not function properly. So open up Google Play Store, tap on the search icon, and in the search bar search for Zoom, and if the update is available, make sure that you install them all. Then you could try to log in again. If still not, then on your Android device you have to open up settings, tap on apps, under recently opened, head over to Zoom, tap on storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. Once you do that, now you may be able to log in. Reopen the application, try to log in. And if you are trying to log in into the Zoom application, make sure that you are selecting the correct method to log in into your account. If that still does not help you, you could simply uninstall the application, reinstall from the Google Play Store. That will give the application a fresh refresh, then you could log in. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you're having problem to log in into your Zoom account. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.